Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 17 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Sorry, it's like something bothering me over there. Today's problem is 150. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. Okay, yeah, let's take a look to see what that means. Okay, so you're given, okay, so basically that's pretty straightforward, really. The Polish notation is basically, the idea behind it is to basically give you an unambiguous order of operation thing that that you can do. So it's very so you just do whatever you need to do, really, and whenever you get an operator, you evaluate it on top of the first two. There is some order of operation thing that we might have to be careful about a little bit, but otherwise it should be good. So okay, so then we just for token in tokens, and we have a stack, of course, and yeah, and then it should be just the last element of the stack when you do. If token is numeric, I don't know if this quite works for say -11. Let me, because basically the idea. Oh no, let me print it out real quick. Let's just say print let -10, that is numeric. Just want to make sure real quick. So okay, so that's not true. So we have to be a little bit careful. I mean, I think in general you do want things to be as what was I going to say? You want to use the library as much as you can. So yeah, so maybe we can just do something like this and then try, right? So try numbers to go to this, right? So you catch or except, sorry, wrong language. That means that there's an exception. You should probably be more specific about exception, but but for now, if this is not that, then we do stuff on operation. Let's do that in a little bit. Otherwise we just start append num, right? And then here on operation is if token is equal to multiply, I don't know, I'm doing in random order, we have all 4, so okay, then we just stack that pop, say a is, I think you could also pop 2 things, but I don't, so let's just do it, whatever. And I think all these are binary operations, so I can be a little bit lazy and just kind of try it out there, and then stack that append a times b. We might have to again be careful about the order of I forget which way it goes, but we'll see in a second. Seems like for this one is the one on the left, so which is, remember, the one on the left is b because we're popping twice, but okay. So just things that I'm thinking of while I'm doing it. Let's just do the plus first. And I guess you really want, you can also use whatchamacallit, like an ops dot plus or something like this in Python, but I'm not doing it. I mean, you could do like a lookup table and then do operation on it, and all this can be in like one line with a mapping table thing. But let's just keep it simple for now. I think this is, so the second one, so it's going to be b minus a, and then else if token is equal to I don't know if I need an escape here, but truncate towards 0. Actually, I don't know if this is quite right for Python. I always forget the negative thing, so we might have to do some math here, and then otherwise we assert false as something has gone very wrong, or for exception if you want to do it in a better way. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I suspect it's something with the negative number, so let's kind of put in a better case for it. Basically negative, say 12, and then I don't know, something that doesn't go into it perfectly, and then division, right? So yeah, so you can see that this is wrong because it truncates 12 whatever. That's a little bit annoying, but I mean, different languages have different things. I'm just going to do it the crappy way, but we can always do it. So yeah, so sine is equal to negative is equal to b negative 0 or XOR a less than 0. Yeah, but basically if one of them is negative, then you know, so that's basically the idea. R is equal to, otherwise just and then if, I mean, you could write it in the one line if you want, but that's the way I'm going to write it. I think that's righter, more correct. So it looks good. Let's give it a submit. Still may make mistakes, but that's okay. Looks good. 991 day streak. Submission time okay. I mean, this is going to be linear time, linear space for the most part. You have an explicit stack, and of course, every number gets popped or pushed at most once per operation. I guess maybe operation is better way of saying. But yeah, so yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see you out on the weekends and have a good weekend. Bye bye.